Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with S&P Capital IQ Review My Usage Experience. S&P Capital IQ Review My Usage Experience offers in-depth financial data and analysis for investment professionals. It's primarily aimed at analysts, portfolio managers, and other individuals needing comprehensive company information for investment decisions. Key features likely include company profiles, financial statements, industry benchmarks, and news feeds. Their website provides details on specific data points and subscription options. They emphasize the breadth and depth of their data, suggesting a comprehensive overview surpassing that of competitors. Pricing is likely subscription-based, although specific details are best found on their website. The service relies on a vast database and sophisticated algorithms to provide accurate and timely information. Availability is likely global, but specific regional coverage might vary. Check their website for details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using S&P Capital IQ Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly easy. After signing up and verifying my account, I was quickly able to access the platform. The interface took a bit of getting used to. It's quite data-heavy, but after an hour or so of exploring, I felt comfortable navigating the different sections. I used it to analyze a few companies I was considering investing in. I was particularly impressed by the depth of the financial statements and the ability to easily compare key metrics across multiple companies. The speed was generally excellent, with data loading quickly. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Accessing the information on my phone required using the browser. I had a quick question about a specific data point and their support responded within 2 days via email, which I thought was reasonable. The standout feature for me was definitely the comprehensive industry analysis tools, which offered a much broader perspective than other platforms I've used. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with S&P Capital IQ. It's a powerful tool, though it does have a steep learning curve. However, once you're comfortable with the interface, the wealth of data available makes it invaluable for investment research. That's my overview of S&P Capital IQ Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.